Sunlight shouldn't belong only to the window. Now, Parans brings real sunshine into every corner of your home. Introducing the new Parans Helios Sunlight System, the industry's first mini-home sunlight system. No roof access required. Just place it and enjoy. Weighing only 20 kilograms, it can be moved easily by one person. Indoor, balcony, or outdoor, flexible installation anywhere. Dual-mode intelligent sun tracking. 10,000-fold light concentration. Delivering 100% natural sunlight indoors. Movable sunlight projection lamp. Adjustable direction, angle, height, and brightness. Sunlight goes wherever you want. Relieve joint discomfort for seniors. Protect children's eyesight. Alleviate the condition of patients with SAD and depression. Promote plant photosynthesis to purify the air. Sterilize and disinfect kitchen and basement. Not just lighting, but a healthier way of living. Parans Helios Sunlight System. Bring the sun home. Sunlight in wellness wins.